Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing MelodySusie Gel Nail Polish Kit for you. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. This kit is called 4 Seasons and it comes with the user manual. This is called the 4 Seasons 24+4 Gel Nail Polish. It comes with 24 gel polish colors plus 4, which is the matte top coat, glossy top coat, and it comes with a base coat and another base coat. And it came in many choices of different colors. This is the shade 466 and it is a red shade. And next is the shade 196 and it is a gray shade. And the shade G412 is with a shimmer. And let's see what color. Wow, it's beautiful. And next is the shade 1359. It looks like a orange shade. Next is a very light pink shade, which is the shade 24. And this one is another pink shade, shade 51 and shade 1055. And this one is another red shade. Next is shade 775 and it is a white shade. And it also has the black shade, which is the shade 1044. Next is, I think it's a skin tone, shade 1063 or nude color. That is pretty. And this is this shade 780 and the shade 1160 is a purple shade. Next is a light blue shade with shimmer. It is shade G443. And next is the shade 1382 and it is like a magenta color. And this is all the shades. And now I'm gonna make a simple nail art using MelodySusie gel polish with my MelodySusie LED lamp. So if you don't know how to apply gel polish, don't worry about it because MelodySusie gel polish kit comes with a user manual that will help you how to prep your nails and help you how to apply the gel polish. So here's how to prep your nails. First is push back cuticles and trim the nail surface. Second is file, shape, and buff the nails. Third is clean the nail and remove all the dust. So I'm gonna start with my nail art by applying a thin layer of base coat. Cure under LED lamp for 90 seconds. Next is apply a thin layer of color gel, then cure. So I chose the shade 1063 as my base color. Make sure to shake the bottle before using it. Cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. Next is apply a thin layer of second coat. Cure again for 60 seconds. Next is I will be using the brown, green, white, and black color for my nail art. MelodySusie gel polish is environmental friendly and healthy. The gel polish colors are made from non-toxic ingredients which makes it safe and low odor. It has no harsh ingredients or adhesive that lead to damaged nails. And it is also suitable for both salon and home use. So what I like about MelodySusie gel polish is it is long-lasting, high gloss wear, you expect no chips and dents, and it is suitable for use on natural nails, acrylic nails, false nails, and tips. This series of gel nail polish set is long-lasting for 21 plus days with perfect shine under a proper application. So what I like about the gel polish is when you make a nail art and then you made a mistake, it is easy to wipe it and then continue your nail art. Unlike the regular nail polish, you can't just wipe it, you have to redo the whole thing. The gel polish needs to be cured under UV or LED nail dryer, which is base coat and top coat is required. I recommend just gel polish set especially for the beginners because everything you need in terms of applying gel polish is all in this kit. Like base coat, top coat, gel colors, everything in one box, and you can have fun with all the colors. It is very easy to apply. The gel polish goes on so smooth and it cures perfectly. And the color is bright and glossy. And it came in many choices of different colors. You can put it on your nails in different colors on a different occasion. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out where I got these products, and then don't forget to use my code ROSE12 to get 12% discount when you buy MelodySusie products on their official website. Cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. Next is I will be using a matte top coat, so apply a thin layer of matte top coat. This kit is also comes with a glossy top coat, so you have two choices, matte or glossy top coat. Cure again for 60 seconds. And this is what it looks like, guys. So I love all the colors. I love the fact that this gel polish kit has different colors to choose from, and it also comes with a base coat and a top coat. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.